Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the English lecture video class 4. Hope you all are fine, doing well at home. This is our English class. Today we are going to start our unit number 3 and lesson number 1, which is about jungle stories. Yes, today we are going to read the jungle stories and this is your topic today. First of all, we all have to read the story. It's a dialogue between two persons. The first one is Sajid and the second one is Imran. Okay, we have to read the story about jungle which Sajid and Imran they are both discussing. So let's start reading. Sajid, what are you reading? Imran, I am reading the Just So stories. They are the stories of the different animals that lived in a jungle. Okay, Sajid asked the question to Imran that what are you reading, and Imran answered, I am reading the stories which are about the animals that live in the jungle. Sajid, strange. Do the animals speak? Imran, of course they have a large vocabulary of unusual words, but they don't wear clothes. Okay, they can speak in their own language, but they cannot wear clothes. Okay, they cannot know and they do not know. They do not wear clothes. Okay, Sajid, what animals are in the book? Okay, Sajid is asking about the what animals are in the book, which are you reading about? Imran, there's an elephant, okay, and a rhinoceros, okay, which I am reading right now. Sajid, oh, I don't like the rhinoceros, okay. He said, I don't like the rhinoceros. They say it's very bad tempered. Okay, this animal is very bad tempered. So it's a giant animal with a long type of peak type of thing in its head. Okay, and it has very bad tempered. Okay, so Sajid said, I don't like them. Imran, as I am about to find out, for each animal there's a table which explain how each animal got its body and character, and Imran is reading about the animals, and there is a table in a book about each animal, and the table explains how animals got its body and its characters. Okay, Sajid, is that the meaning of Just So? Imran, not quite. The author told these bedtime stories to his young daughter, okay, again and again, but he wasn't allowed to change the story. Okay, author tells the story to his daughter again and again at bedtime, but he was not allowed to change these stories. This is because the name of the story is Just So. Sajid, I see. Imran, so if we change one single word? His daughter stopped him and said, no, daddy, you must tell the story. Just so, okay? So his daughter used to say that, no, daddy, you must tell the story. Stop his dad, and she said that, no, daddy, you must tell the story just so, okay? As it is. So here we have to, this is your story, this is your dialogue. Now come to the B part. Here you have to match the words to their meaning. Title is the name of the story, okay? Or and plot. What is the plot? Plot of the story. The place where the no. The writer of the story. The place where the story happens. The people in the story. The events in the story. Plot is the plot is the event in the story. Characters. The people in the story. Setting is the place where the story happens. Okay, author, the writer of the story. Okay, so match the words to their concerns meaning. Okay, title, the name of story. Plot, the events in a story. Characters, the people in the story. Setting, the place where the story happens, and author, the writer of the story. You have to learn these meanings as well and write them on your notebook as well. Okay, now you have to discuss your favorite book in the class. We are not taking the class now as a live session, so you have to write about your favorite book on your English notebook. This is your home task. You have to write about your favorite book in your English notebook and send me the homework, send me the pictures. Now look at the part D. Listen to your teacher talk about just so stories. Underline the correct information. Some lines have more than one correct answer. Okay. Date of the book. Okay. We are going to do this in our class, in our English class, whenever we are going to do this. So you have to read the dialogue today and match the meanings of the word. Your home task for today is to write the meanings of the words in exercise B on your English notebook. Also you have to learn these as well. And your second task for today is to write about your favorite book on your English notebook. Okay. Hope you understand the lecture. Hope you understand the video. Take care, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.